In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Typeform subscription. Whether you're looking to switch to a different service or simply need to reduce your expenses, I'll guide you step by step through the process of canceling your subscription easily and efficiently. First, let's start by logging into your Typeform account. Head over to typeform.com and sign in using your login credentials. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account associated with the subscription you want to cancel, so double-check if you have multiple accounts. Now that you're logged in, the next thing you'll need to do is access the Plan and Billing section. You'll find this by clicking on the organization icon located in the top left corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Plan and Billing. This is where you'll find details about your current subscription and options for managing it. Once you're in the Plan and Billing section, look for your current plan details. There should be an option labeled Cancel My Plan. By clicking on this, you're initiating the process to cancel your current Typeform plan. Moving forward, you'll need to choose the free plan option. This step is necessary to downgrade your account from a paid subscription to a free one. It's a straightforward process, but be sure you're selecting the correct plan that suits your needs after cancellation. Before your cancellation is finalized, Typeform will request that you complete a cancellation survey. This step is crucial because if you don't fill out and submit the survey, your cancellation won't be processed. So, take a moment to provide your feedback and click Submit to ensure that your cancellation request goes through. After submitting the survey, there's one final step. You'll need to confirm your cancellation. To do this, check the confirmation box that appears, and then click Cancel My Plan. This action will officially finalize your cancellation request. There are a few important notes to keep in mind regarding your cancellation. First, the cancellation will become effective at the end of your current billing cycle, not immediately upon your request. This means you'll still have access to paid features until that cycle ends. However, any forms that are using paid features will shift into trial mode. You'll need to remove those features or upgrade again if you wish to continue collecting responses without interruption. Additionally, if you have team members associated with your organization, it's important to note that they will lose access once the plan is downgraded to the free plan, and that only the organization owner or admins have the authority to change the plan. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly cancel your Typeform subscription. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions.